welcome back to another one of my videos, and today I will be doing this fall look. I'll be showing you how I created her. Okay, look at that cut crease. Look at that cut crease. I'm so proud of this look. I'm so proud of it came out so much better than I thought. But yeah, this is my fall look because, you know, we are rolling around that corner. It is now getting dark by like 4 o'clock. It's getting a bit more cold, you know, sweater weather, cuffing season. I'm not worried about that. Your girls cuffed. Anyways, I talk too much sometimes. But yeah, so I bring you this cut crease, fun, colorful fall vibes type of look, you know? A lot of people are doing dark reds and just browns and such, and when I did this video I did have that intention, but I don't know, this came out instead. Like, why not be fun with it, you know? Like, these colors are still relevant to fall, like red, yeah, yellow, yeah, there's, like, you know? So I'm really proud of it. I'm starting to do that close up again. Highlight though. Oh. Okay, I'm done. Okay, anyways, if you want to see how I got this look, just make sure that you keep on watching. And before you continue, subscribe to your girl, please. Please. Like the video, please. Thank you. I appreciate it if you did it right now. Okay? Bye. Enjoy the video. Oh, I know. You're probably wondering, how the hell did she get this far? The video just started. But when I started editing, my first clip disappeared. I don't know how. I don't know where it went. But I basically just did a cut crease and a transition shade. I'm so sorry, guys. Hey guys, I'm back. I've been gone for a while trying to perfect this cut crease. Like, I kind of winged it out a bit, if you can see that, because I'm going to be also taking some gel liner. But now we can finally move on to like the look. I'm going to take my Modern Renaissance Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm going to go in with the color Red Orchid. Red Orchid. Okay, so this one right here. And I'm gonna plop this on the center more so of my eye. Ooh, pigment. Hello. Oh my gosh. It's really like a dark red, and I'm also gonna add like a brighter. This is more like a burgundy, and I'm gonna add more after, more so like red, orangey color, just to make it pop, because I don't want it to be super dark. And my brush, it's two-sided. It's an Urban Decay brush. Don't ask me what number it is. I don't know. I'm just taking the thinner side now. I was using this side to put that onto my lid, but I'm gonna use this side now that I'm coming closer to the crease area. I'm gonna also take my Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. And I feel like it's popping, it's looking nice, but I feel like it's kind of turning to like an orange. I don't want that. Like, I want red. Not like red, but you know. So I'm just gonna go in with this red color right here. It's a very, very colorful palette, as you can see. Okay guys, so I have a shadow on my eyes. So I don't know, like, I want to add something else to make it pop. Like, I thought about, originally what I was going to do was just put like a neutral, like a very neutral color in the inner part. Like literally neutral, like almost matching the base that I put on. But then I'm like, I don't know, I just want something more, you know? So I thought about maybe like putting some yellow in there, and like yellow's pretty fall because, you know, you got your yellow leaves, red leaves, brown leaves, burgundy leaves. So I don't want to mess it up, so I'm scared. So I'm just gonna swatch it on my can. I think it's gonna be a thing. It's happening because this is looking poppin'. I just swatched the two colors on my hand to see. I'm doing it. I'm gonna put some yellow. We said dramatic. This is gonna be dramatic. Okay, so same thing, going in with my BH Cosmetics palette in Take Me to Brazil. And it comes with a lot of yellow shades. But I'm gonna take this one. This one's more like a mustardy yellow. That one is more of like a bright, true yellow. Just pack my brush on with that. See that? And we're gonna go to town with it. I can't believe we made it. This is what we made. This is what we're thankful. This is what we thankful. I can't believe we made it. This is different. So I'm gonna add some glitter. Glitter can never hurt anyone. So I'm gonna take this NYX glitter that I have, and it's in a gold color. I preferably want silver, but you're going got that. And I'm gonna basically line that cut crease, which hopefully you can see. I'm going to go ahead and finish off this eye on camera. This one do. Okay. So now I'm just gonna do a line. I'm gonna finish this eye on camera, and actually I'm gonna do the next eye probably off camera, just to save me time, just to save me footage. So next, I'm gonna take an eyeliner. Okay, guys. So I'm back again, and a lot has happened. My camera ran out of space, so I just had to. So it stopped recording, so I had to figure out that whole moment. It was also overheating. So yeah, and it stopped recording at one point. So I'm gonna just tell you what I did, and then we're gonna proceed. So I put yellow into my inner corners, which I think you got somewhat on camera. So I used the yellow from my Take Me to Brazil palette, and I also mixed it with the Violet Voss Girl Crush, so that yellowish gold color. I kind of just plot that on top. And then I did my glitter liner. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I basically lined the crease area right above that bright color with some glitter gold liner from NYX. And then I did my winged black eyeliner. And with that, I used the Rimmel London Extravagant Eyeliner. That's what I used. Bomb. Yeah, I used that to just line my eyes with, and then I threw on some lashes. So I was like, you missed a lot, but you didn't miss a lot. I'm sorry, like, just so much going on. I just want to just chill here and wait, you know, and you already saw, you know, what was going on before. Moving on to skin. Nothing special, but I'm gonna go in with the Cover FX primer. Just put that all over like so. Give me my check. Put some respect on my check. Pay me in equity. I'll use a different brush for my foundation this time. This isn't a foundation brush. This shit is huge. It's not a foundation brush. It's a powder brush. I think it says an expert. Or it's a buffing brush. But I love to use this for foundation because it just gets the job done quick. It spreads it everywhere nicely, and it works. So for foundation, I am going to debating NYX or NARS. NYX or NARS. Let's do NYX. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the NYX Can't Stop But Won't Stop foundation. I did a review on this, so please go check it out. I'll leave the link down below actually for it. Anyways, I'm weird. But yeah. So just put some on my hand, taking my big ass brush, and yeah, just gonna apply that all over. And if you watched my review, I do mention in it that like I did not pick the right shade necessarily for me in this foundation, but I still made it work, or I still make it work. But yeah, just saying.
Watch me reverse out of dicks. He got a bad bitch. We live in lavish. I got expensive fabrics. I got expensive habits. He wanna go.
Okay, so now my foundation is on. I don't know if you can see, but you see how it doesn't match? Like, look how light my neck is and then compared to my face. But it's okay. We're going to make that work. I'm going to take my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And I'm just going to apply that on. Okay guys, so my concealer is complete. Now I'm gonna set with the Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. I'm gonna use a very, very light tint of it because it gives me a tint, which, you know, makes sense, but I don't know, I thought it would just be more like of a translucent. I don't know. Overall, what I'm trying to say is that I put concealer on for the purpose of highlighting, and then when I put this powder on, it brings down the highlight and defeats the whole purpose. So that's why I'm going to use a little bit because, you know, I feel like I can bring this down a bit. Yes, I'm using a brush, not baking. I do not like to bake at all. I'm going to be taking my Pur Sculpting Palette, and I'm going to be taking the color Founder. Nice big one. It smells like chocolate. And I'm just going to connect that mirror. Sorry, this just can't see.
Don't think they own it. Bottom of jet. Shut down, collect.
Okay, now that that's on, I'm gonna take my Morphe contour palette. Because this shade was more like a cooler brown, I'm gonna take, like, do you see this? I love this palette, as you can see. Like, pan is everywhere. But yeah, I'm gonna take this shade right here. I just love the way this warms up my skin, and it still provides like a nice depth into my face. It just spreads so nicely. You might not even see the difference on camera, but there's a difference.
Get off my dick. Give me the paw. Give me the
Now I'm gonna take my Too Faced Hangover Setting Spray 3-in-1. And we're just gonna spray that all over. I'm gonna go back in with my Pur Sculpting Palette because with 2 contour colors comes 2 highlighting colors. I'm gonna take Trailblazer. I'm also gonna wet my brush actually. Okay. Taking Trailblazer, just gonna dap that in there.
top shift. Call my girls and put them all on a spaceship. Hang one night when you say I'll make you famous.
And then I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty highlighting, my 3D highlighting palette, and I'm gonna take my favorite shade out of it, which is Tahiti. As you can see, I hit pan in this too. And same thing, I'm gonna take this brush and apply that right on top of Trailblazer. Okay, and then I'm gonna take some pencil eyeliner. This is by Josie Blue, and this is in the color Charcoal. And I'm gonna apply that to my waterline. I feel like this video was taking forever for me to finish. I don't know where I left off because my camera keeps on dying, my memory keeps on getting full, blase. But I did my lips. I mixed a whole bunch of shit together. This is the main thing that's on my lips. And then I put the translucent powder just to mattify it down. Okay guys, so I'm back. This is the finished look. My camera just kept on dying on me, and memory kept on running out. I don't know, I just feel like I've been running so many problems with this video, and I feel like, it's took me a while to record this. I'm pretty sure I started this video recording at like 10:30 this morning. It's now 2:27. Why though? Why? I'll be done by 12 at least, but it's all good because I enjoy it. It just gets frustrating sometimes. But anywho, it's not a rant video. This is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys enjoyed how I came up with this. It's more like my colorful fall look, you know? Like, these colors still do come into play during fall time. I like it, you know, it's something different compared to like all the fall looks that are coming out. Like everyone's doing dark reds and burgundies, and you know, I'm doing a bit more splash of color. Anyways, hope you guys liked the video. Thank you so much for your patience. And just make sure that you subscribe if you're not already. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you share the video. Make sure you comment on the video. Give me some feedback based on my videos. Show me some love based on my videos. And yeah, all that stuff I really do appreciate and I'm grateful for. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!